Good morning, fam. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today is going to be a short part 2 video for the Ai Box. Shouts out to OneCarStereo for sending me this little care package. This is their newer Ai Box Lite. So there are a couple differences I got to go over with you between the Ai Box that my wife constantly uses in her car and the Ai Box Lite. Guys, in the box you have a USB to Type-C adapter. You have your USB to Type-C power cord that you see me have plugged in right here to my CarPlay interface. And it's a pretty small footprint, okay? Looks a little bit different than the original one that I did the review on. Guys, please refer to this video. It's super in-depth. It's like half an hour almost. You'll see everything that you need to see in there. I'm talking about Bluetooth hookups, Android Auto, CarPlay, the whole nine. Okay, you can see everything that you need to see in there. Couple differences with this box. This box has the power interface, and it also has an interface right here. So like, say for instance, if you have like a flash drive with like media on it, you can plug that in there and view it on your infotainment screen. Guys, once you plug this in, the hookup is pretty much the same. The box senses what the parameters are on your stock infotainment unit. And guys, this works with infotainment units that have wired CarPlay, and it works with some aftermarket car stereos like Android units like this one. This is an Android 10 head unit from SiGav, okay? Android 10 head unit from SiGav, and it actually worked for the Ai Box, and it's working for the Ai Box Lite as well. As I said, Android 10 and above, it should work on an aftermarket Android head unit. For depending on compatibility for phones, okay, that you have to sync up to this afterwards, like I'll show you how to connect the Bluetooth. Like Android phones, make sure it's obviously Android 11 and up will work. But for all the compatibility listings, go to OneCarStereo.com and you will see all the cars that are compatible, phones, etc. Now guys, what are the differences with this bad boy and this one? This one costs about 330 bucks. This one costs about $190. Now I'm not including taxes or shipping or whatever, so you'll have to find that out. But this one is at least $100 cheaper, okay? And the differences are, so this Ai Box, you can run a SIM card in it for 4G networking and a memory card, okay? Where that can obviously hold a lot of movies or whatever the case might be that you're playing on your trips, or if you have your kids or whatnot. The Ai Box, it's only loaded with a media player, has Netflix and YouTube. This granddaddy right here, this has the same as this, but you can go onto the Google Play Store for various apps, even car lighting apps you can control from your screen. And you can also download APKs to this bad boy in case the Google Play Store doesn't have the app that you're looking for. So if you don't need all of that stuff and you're just happy with Netflix and YouTube, now this is the bad boy for you. And as I said, you're saving about $100, which is really not that bad for that functionality. Guys, just remember, this stuff can play while you're driving on your infotainment screen. So guys, please pay attention to your local and state and county laws. Obviously, you're not supposed to be driving with this stuff playing YouTube or Netflix. So I just wanted to add that in there. Now guys, I backed into my garage real quick so you could see the lights and see my screen more clearly without any type of glare or whatnot. Now, if you notice, there is a couple lights on here. There's a blue light, that's the power light. There's a green one that's not flashing anymore. It was flashing prior because it was updating. It updates automatically. And this red light is the system light. All right, guys, once you connect the Android box or the Ai Box Lite to your wired CarPlay USB connection, the blue light lights up, the red light blinks slowly. Let me hit my Z-Link real quick. Once you connect, see it says Apple connecting, the box will start blinking fast. That's to show you it's starting to connect. And then you see Ai Box up here on the screen, and this is how it pops up. Guys, as you saw just now, there was like an Android Auto symbol, how it popped up, And then it went to this, and it's showing you Bluetooth device BT2DBC. Those numbers are important because on your phone, you have to connect to the AI Box's Bluetooth, okay? So guys, we're back on the main screen. I just want to show you a couple apps that it has preloaded. Obviously, you see Netflix right there. You can exit the screen. You have your Android Auto. If you go to apps, settings, YouTube, this is the media player I was talking about. You can play your music and Netflix. And that's pretty much about it. Now, let's say you go into YouTube. Now, we're not connected to anything, any media, or actually any Wi-Fi or anything like that. But you see this little box right here? Let's tap the screen again. This little shortcut, okay? It can let you go back home, and you can drag this anywhere you want over the screen. So this, once you tap the shortcut, you can go back or go home to the main screen. Now let's connect this bad boy real quick. I'm gonna use the screen recording on the side so you can actually see what's going on. Now, let's see. See right here, there is a, I don't know if you could see it or if it has some glare, but there's like a Wi-Fi signal right there and like a warning sign because it's not connected to anything. So let's tap that real quick. We're gonna go to this screen and it has Wi-Fi preferences. So I'll come back to this later to tether it to my phone. So let's back out of here real quick. Okay, and let's go to now. There's an Android Auto symbol right up here on the upper left hand corner. Once you tap that, it's loading up. I'm gonna tap my Bluetooth. And the device name is BT2DBC. Once that pops up, it'll ask you to pair it, and there we go. It'll say Bluetooth device, hit allow on your phone. And now we're connected for calls and audio. Okay, so let me back out of here real quick. That stuff is, so the Android Auto is now connected. Okay, now let's go into the Wi-Fi tethering or your mobile signal tethering. You click that button right there. It's the second button down from the upper left side. Okay. Now we're gonna go to use Wi-Fi and it'll search for networks. So now what you wanna do is you go on your phone. I'm gonna go on my phone, I'm gonna show you. Go to mobile hotspot and it should be able to pick it up. 1 second, there it is. Get your own damn Wi-Fi. Let's click on that real quick. I'm gonna put the password in. And we are connected. So now, let's go into apps. Boom. Go to YouTube. Screen is pretty damn bright. Look up my channel. Right here. Wow. There you go. Now that's nice right there. Let's get it. How awesome is that right there? So it works perfectly. And this is tethering from the 4G or 5G signal from my phone. Okay? So I would say that's a freaking win right there. Love it. So guys, obviously for Netflix, you're gonna have to put in your Netflix password, etc., and that is pretty much it. And guys, last but not least, we got Android Auto right here. It's gonna pop up. I'm just gonna blur the screen. And it works seamlessly, man. Love it. There you go. So now once you go on Android Auto, you have a lot of features on here. Upper left-hand corner, you tap that button and all these settings can come up. You can customize it however you want. There's weather on there, the whole nine. So this is actually pretty damn nice. Again, guys, please refer to my previous video. It was super in-depth. If you're lost anywhere on this one, the other one is definitely gonna fill in those gaps. As I said, there are a couple differences, but if you're looking for something cheaper, at least $100 cheaper, and simple with your Netflix and your YouTube, then this Ai Box Lite is for you. If you're looking for something that has a lot of versatility, then the original Ai Box, that's one for you. So guys, definitely check out OneCarStereo.com's website. You'll see vehicle compatibility, phone compatibility, everything you need to see will be on there, okay? OneCarStereo, thank you so much for sending me this bad boy. And guys, again, I'm showing you this is an aftermarket Android head unit. I didn't do the video on my wife's car like the first time, and I wanted to show you that this stuff works. All right, so guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys soon.